Welcome back to the GTI Setco channel. We have something pretty fun for you here today, I think. With ViBPro and our sensors being wireless over the years, we came up with a pretty neat idea. We're going to take a DJI drone and we are going to attach one of our first generation sensors. You can see I put two little hook ears on here. And we're going to fly that drone up, and we're actually going to put it on a asset. It's going to be one of the air conditioners suspended here at GTI. I originally described all this before we flew outside, but the noise of the drone really stepped out the audio, so I wanted to explain exactly what we're doing. One of the tricks here is to actually get slack in the line between our drone and the sensor so that we don't induce any vibrations from the sensor. But this is pretty cool. This can be done in grain mills, anywhere there's a motor suspended on a rooftop or on a tower or anything like that. So we thought this was really neat. So please stay tuned while we go outside and make this happen. Thank you, and like and subscribe. We really appreciate your views. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Take off. Put the screen far enough away so we don't knock it over. We lift off with our sensor. And we are hovering. Okay, we've got the drone up in the air, and now we've got to lift ourselves up so that we're above the height of there. And if you notice on my screen recording on my drone here, on the screen, let's come down on it a little bit, see if we can stabilize that. We're coming down, and we're stuck. So now I'm going to put slack in the line. And now it goes to Colleen is going to start taking data. She's going to hit the report button. That data is going to go into a report, and she's going to send that out while I start taking care of the drone. If we look now at the drone, you can see it's got a lot of wind, but we're in okay shape. So now we got to pull this sensor off. So all I'm going to do is back up, and it should yank that sensor right off. Simple as can be. And now we're going to come down, and we're going to land the drone. It's facing towards us. We bring it down. In order not to suck up that string, we're going to give us a little slack. We're going to come forward, and we're going to land her right down on the ground. And okay, that concludes our video. I'm sure that's probably the first, like ViBPro was the first to be on an iPad system doing vibration analysis. That probably is the first and only time you will see vibration analysis data collected with a drone. Let me know in the comments if I'm wrong, but I'd have to say I'm probably right. Anybody that needs a vibration reading up to 1,500 feet is our limit to fly. We can take that data and successfully. So please reach out to us at www.gtispindle.com or www.setco.com for any questions. And we thank you for your attention. Bye-bye now.